Hi students, in previous video we already have discussed about the plants. Now today we will see the types of plants. Most of the plants are classified into three groups on the basis of their size, nature of stem and lifespan. See here, we used three criteria. How we classified the plants into three groups? On the basis of their size. Second, about their lifespan. And third, about the nature of stem. So these 3 points we have to compare in these three types of plants. So what are the three types of plants? So herb, shrub and tree. So these are the three types of plants, and most of the plants are classified into these three groups. Now we will see one by one these types of plants, and these 3 points we will compare. Now first is about herb. So what is the size of herb? Okay, so first thing, herbs are small plants having soft and delicate. Delicate means which can be break easily, very soft. Okay, so these plants means those are the herbs. Herbs plants have soft and delicate stem. Okay, then herbs do not have woody stem. Stem is there, but that stem is not like a woody. It is like a rubber, like okay, flexible. It is more delicate. Okay. Then next, they are non-woody plants. We cannot get the wood from this herb. And herbs have green and tender stem. Mostly, if you see the herb plants, their stem is tender, delicate, okay, soft and green in color. We can bend the stem very easily, okay, or that stem can be bent. Now herbs are short sized plants and they usually do not grow more than 1 meter. So these plants, now see, we are talking about now size, we are talking about now the length of that plant. So these plants mostly grow till 1 meter above the ground. Means 1 meter, you know. So just till 1 meter these plants grow. So whatever plants are there whose growth is till 1 meter or below 1 meter. So all these plants are included in herbs. Understood? So what are the examples of herb plants? So examples of herb plants are tomato, mustard, radish, sunflower, wheat, paddy, means that is rice, cabbage, carrot, ginger. All these are the examples of herb plants. Okay students. Now we will go to the next plant, that is next group of the plant, that is, you can see here picture of herb. This is the first A picture. This is about herb. You can see small herb plant. Stem is very delicate and soft green in color. Okay. Now we will talk about the shrub plants. Now what is the difference between the herb and shrub? Also we can compare afterwards. Now you see the shrub plants. You can consider this example. Okay, so this is the shrub plant. Shrubs are medium sized plant. That is why these shrub plants are included in middle of this herb and tree, because their size is medium. They are not too much tall also and they are not dark also. They are medium size. Okay, they with a hard and woody stem. See, in herb we saw the stem is not woody, yes or no? And here stem is woody stem. And in these shrub plants you can see the branching out near the base. Means you can see the branching near the base, but in herb you cannot see the branching near the base. This is the first, you can highlight this sentence. with the help of highlighter. Okay. Next thing, that shrub is hard but it is not very thick. Compared to herb. Okay, shrub stem is hard, and compared to trees, it is very, that means not that much hard. Actually, the shrub do not have distinct main stem or trunk. Okay, main stem there is no, because branches are appear. There is no main stem. Shrubs tend to branch near the ground level, and many branches are rising at the base of the stem. Then most of the plants are bushy. Okay, bushy means many branches appear at the bottom. Yes or no? At the base, so that is why it looks like a bushy. Then some of the examples of shrubs are, so what are the examples of shrubs? So shrubs examples are rose, jasmine, croton, tulsi, china rose, okay, pomegranate, henna. Then henna means mehndi, lemon, sorry, henna means mehndi and lemon. Okay, shrubs are bigger than earth. Whatever the shrub plants are there, they are bigger than earth. So it means that more than 1 meter, whose length is there, whose height is there, they are shrubs. And the lifespan of shrub for many years, but it is less than that of trees. Okay, lifespan of shrubs plants for many years, but compared to trees, it is less. Now next group, that is trees. Okay. Now what is trees? So trees are tall and big plants which with a hard and thick woody stem. Here, trees are tall, big plants, and they have woody stem. Okay, the trees have one main stem called trunk. Whatever main stem, here you can see, this is the main stem of tree, that is the trunk. Yes or no? Main stem, that is the trunk, which usually gives out the many branches and leaves. So this main trunk usually bears the branches or gives out the branches and leaves. The branches in tree appear, I will show you now next. Okay. The branches in a tree appear higher up on the stem, much above the ground. So whatever the branches are there in tree appear above the ground. Okay, there is a gap between the ground and that branches. But in shrub, the branches appear at the base of the stem. Now next one, some examples of trees. So what are the examples of trees? Trees examples means those are more big, okay, or they are tallest. Neem, mango, palm, teak, oak, sandalwood, coconut, eucalyptus means nilgiri, then banyan and etc. Okay, so these are the examples of tree. Palm trees are never branched. One note is there, you can note down. Okay, for this is for you. So palm trees are never branched. The coconut tree is a type of palm tree. The trees are very big in size. The lifespan trees is very large, and these and trees usually live for many years. These palm trees or coconut trees. Okay. Now next one, shrubs and trees are both woody plants. The main difference between the shrubs and trees. Both, now these shrubs and trees, both are the woody plants. But what is the difference between these two. What is the comparison between these two? So we will see now the main difference. Shrubs are modified size plants, whereas trees are very tall and big plants. This is the first difference. Second difference, shrubs branch near the ground. Just we saw now in picture, whatever the shrub plants are there, they bear the branches near the ground, and in tree we saw that the branches appear above the ground. Okay. Next, shrubs have thin stem, whereas the trees have thick stem, that is called the trunk. Okay. So there are some plants which are different from herb, shrubs and trees. See, after just now we saw the three types of plants, but there are again some plants, they are different than these three types of plants. So we call them creepers and climbers. So that we will see in our next video.